Welcome to Evolution in Controls. I'm your host, Tim Wilson. Thank you for joining us. In linear motion, precision matters. But then again, so does practicality. Not every application needs microns of accuracy or ultra-tight tolerances. Sometimes, the best solution is one that balances performance with simplicity, cost, and speed. That simple recognition is the driving idea behind Bosch Rexroth's new product line of linear ball rail. With their high-precision product line already well established, the addition of the BSCL compact line gives customers a new level of flexibility, making it easier to match the right rail to the right job. But what exactly sets this compact line apart? Where does it shine, and why is it an obvious choice alongside the other linear motion products? Joining us today to answer these questions and more is Clint Hayes, National Channel Partner Manager for Linear Motion Technologies, and John Richards, Product Manager for Linear Guides. Guys, thanks for joining me.
Yeah, thank you, Tim.
I think this is your first time with us here on Evolution in Controls, right?
It sure is.
Well, why don't we take a second, introduce yourselves. I mean, I gave your names, but how long have you been with the company and how long have you been in the industry? John?
So I've been with Bosch Rexroth for 5 years now. Started during COVID. Good time to move companies.
Yeah.
I've been in the bearing industry for right now about 30 years. So
Okay.
a little experience.
So you've got
Yes.
1 or 2 years under your belt.
Yes, I do.
Nice. Clint?
Yes, hi. I'm Clint Hayes, and been with Bosch Rexroth for now 28 years. So long history of various jobs. Started off as an engineer, product management, overseeing that, but have been really in either some type of national sales role or channel partner role for the last 10 years.
And Bosch Rexroth's pretty large, lots of technology. You've always been in the linear technology side?
For most of my career,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay. Well, listen, guys, thank you very much for joining me. We're here to talk about this new product line. So one of you launch us. Tell us a little bit about it. BSCL.
Yeah, so we're really excited about the Bosch, the ball rail systems compact line, and that's the acronym. You know, in our organization, it's very acronym heavy. So
Got to have letters.
Yes. So it is the ball rail systems compact line, which it really is going to complement our high precision line, which has been very well established, as you mentioned at the beginning. What this does allow us to do is, with some of the features that we've looked at really the application and the market needs out there, and find that there wasn't really a middle of the road product or a mid-performance product that was in the portfolio to address the full complement of market needs out there. And so to be able to blend the right performance, the right features with the product line, with the right sizes, allows us to have a good fit of transition for customers.
This is not about a different size. I mean, you've got it in your high precision line. That's been out. I mean, I know that it's been out for at least 30 years.
Correct.
But you've got size 20 to 65. You've got a wide range of size. This is not just a new size. It's something different.
Correct. Yeah, so what we did, if you were to take a side-by-side comparison to our high-performance line, the BSHP, look at the BSCL, the compact series line, you would see that side-by-side they look, feel similar.
Okay.
But really where you find a big deviation is really the performance of the compact series, the new line. Some of the features that you get with that, you still get a long travel life. The initial lubrication gets you up to, I think it's 5 kilometers of travel in the initial lubrication. So that's 3,100 miles of travel life between relubes.
Not lubed for life, but
And
lubed for a long time.
Lubed for a long time. In a lot of cases, in a lot of applications, 3,100 miles is the lifetime of the machine. So again, you look at some of those features. The other thing is it's very easy to customize, and so very configurable, quick, gives some agility to not only our partner network, but to the customers.
What do you mean very easy to customize? I mean,
Really, for the product itself is the cut to length.
Yep.
And then we're asking for to maintain the high level of performance is just to break the edges, break the chamfers, not have a like with our high performance series, it has a very special chamfer design.
Yeah.
And that has to be there for smooth transition of that runner block onto that rail. That's not required necessarily with the compact series.
Can we, on the compact series, can we do butt joints?
Yes, butt joints are a possibility. We can go up 4 sections at a time, so close to 12 meters for total length in a butt joint.
We should probably throw out some specs at this point before we continue talking about what makes up the BSCL line. Give us some specs.
So the BSCL line, it comprises of runner blocks, 6 different styles, from sizes 15 to 45.
Slimline, tall, regular.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes. All the normal, the standard block offerings, and then just top mount rail along with 4-meter sticks.
Only top mount.
Only top mount.
Okay.
That's correct.
And 4-meter long, you said.
4-meter lengths. Correct.
Do you have things like cover strips for it?
Cover strips are not available in the BSCL.
Okay.
That was an option that we removed.
Okay. All right. So sizes, what'd you say, from
15 to 45.
45.
Yep.
Okay. And six styles of block.
Correct.
All right.
Then we also offer all of the accessories, the add-on scraper plates, external seals. Yes.
Okay. All right. You've had the high performance out for a long time, and it's very, very comfortable. We now have a mid-grade or mid-performance grade product line. Where is this going to get used at? What kind of pitfalls do you see in bringing this out now that with the high precision so well established?
So to focus on where it's going to be used first. So there's a number of industries, number of applications within those industries. We feel like this is a great fit. Again, from a general transport like you would find in material handling. So intralogistics or various like pick and place type applications and packaging and things like this. So a great fit there. There's even a subsegment of what I would classify as machine tool. Where it's maybe wood routers or wood, cutting of wood, automated chop saws, things like this, where again it could have a good fit. Fortunately, the sealing capabilities that you still maintain with this product line allows for great contamination protection, keeping the contaminants out of the bearing system, and then keeping the lubrication preserved into the system for long lubrication life, long running life. As far as pitfalls, potentially, it's as you do with any new machine design, you have to make sure that you have the right product for the application, the right fit, and also any type of concerns regarding the price to performance ratio, meeting price points, meeting timelines as far as build times and things like this.
John, if you look at the marketplace of people that are using ball rail, is this addressing the bottom third of the market? Is it addressing the midpoint? Where is this focused at?
It could be focused on maybe 80% of the market. Majority of the product that we sell today is going to be in accuracy classes of normal, high, precision, and that's what we've targeted the BSCL to go after, is those accuracy classes. So anybody that's running that requirement with maybe reduced reliability requirements, they're not looking for the high performance. This is a good product offering.
So as I said in my introduction, we're not looking for microns of...
No.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So 80%, that's a huge piece. So no concerns about cannibalizing existing business with this. You think that this is going to address a different sector of the market?
It will be going after a different sector of the market.
Okay. All right. How do the customers, what kind of tools do you have to help the customers begin using this?
We have several online tools for doing calculations, sizing properly. Within that, it helps the customer select the product.
Okay.
And then once that's done.
Size it as well?
Correct.
Okay.
Then once they're done with the sizing and the selection of the product, they can download CAD drawings, manuals, all the information, the background information on it.
Okay. Is that what the code on the screen for? Does that take us to the online
Certainly
tools?
will. That will take you to the online tools with all of the availability.
Okay.
And if I might interject,
Please.
one of the great things with this linear selector tool
Yeah.
is that as you go through, you put in the product, the application parameters, load, speeds, orientation.
The
all
lost ped
this.
data.
Yes, the lost ped. What you will do is it'll route you to the end of the sizing exercise, give you preferred sizes that work in that application. You can then download a nice report. And so to figure out from an OEM perspective who's working on a project now, 10 years from later, if they want to understand what they did 10 years ago,
Yeah.
they can pull up that nice report and it shows them all the speeds, feeds, loads, load conditions, things like that. So.
And they can then go to your distributor partner with that sizing and say, hey, I need help in getting this quoted.
Correct.
That's great. So you've had the regular rail out for 30 years. We now have this mid-performance grade rail. What does the future look like? How does this fit into the future? If you look 3 years down the road, what do you see for the product? Are you going to have another product line, or is it really all about growing this piece of the business?
From my perspective, and then I'll hand the floor over to John, what I see as far as 3 to 5 years down the road is I think you will find a lot of late adopters to the linear guide technology, where they have been comfortable utilizing, say, the round rail, round shafting.
Round shaft with a bushing on it?
Yeah, with the bushing on it, which
or
works for a lot of applications, but what you get as far as a transitionary step with the rail compact line is that you get potentially some higher speeds, you get some more rigidity, and so it's a nice entry point kind of going from older technology into the more stiff, the higher performing type linear guide solutions.
So you're really seeing that there's a migration in the future. There's a migration from other linear technologies into this entry level mid-performance grade product line.
Correct. We already see it.
You already see it?
Yes.
Okay. John, what do you think? 3 years, 5 years?
It will definitely replace a lot of the bushings and the shafting. It's truly a growth market, going after the mid-performance product, a price-driven product, something that we can be very competitive in the market for. I don't see it taking the higher accuracy BSHP product line, taking anything away from that. I think this is a new area for us to grow.
Okay. Well, I'll be curious to see how it does. I mean, I think it's well needed. It's a great looking product line.
Right.
And maybe we'll come back in a year or so and we'll talk about how it's doing.
Absolutely.
It launched this year, correct?
Yes.
All right. Well, John, thank you for joining me today. Clint, it's good as always to see you. Thanks
so much. See you. Thank you, Tim.
To learn more about Bosch Rexroth, linear technology, and their solutions and products, especially the BSCL, visit boschrexroth-us.com. To learn more about Evolution Motion and their products and solutions, visit evolutionmotion.com. Don't forget to subscribe to Evolution in Controls on whatever platform you use for podcasts or on YouTube for a video version so you can be updated when we release new episodes. Thank you again for joining us today. I'm Tim Wilson, and remember, keep moving.